Hey everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to add images to your HTML code. Images can be a great way to add visual interest to your website, and with HTML, it's easy to add them to your pages. Let's start by downloading a pizza image. You can download the image from my GitHub repository. The link is in the description, or you can use your own image. Then place the image in the same location as the index.html file. Starting with the HTML boilerplate code and live server started, let's add the image to our page. Add an h1 tag and an img tag between the opening and the closing tags of the body element. The source attribute in the img tag tells the browser where to find the image. The alt attribute provides a text alternative in case the image can't be displayed. Now let's try and see what happens when we misspell the name of the image in the source attribute. You should now see the text in the alt attribute displayed instead of the image. This is because the browser can't find the image file with the name you provided. On much larger and complex websites, you'll probably have lots of images and you will usually want to organize the images into folders. Let's create a new subfolder called Images and move the pizza image into that folder. Then edit the source attribute to point to the new location of the image file. You should see the pizza image displayed again. This time the browser can find the image file because you've provided the correct path to it. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new about adding images in HTML. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.